One of the most classic foods for Retsina is Skordalia, the Greek garlic sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of bread. You wanna dampen that first. Squeeze out as much moisture as you can. And I like to use pita bread in this because it's nice and soft and it gives the final Skordalia a really nice consistency. I always start with the garlic. I'm gonna start with 2 cloves. I sometimes pulverize up to 6 or 7. Depends on who I'm having for company. And the whole idea is to get a paste out of this. I need a little salt. The salt helps soften the garlic and of course adds great flavor. Some walnuts go in next. The soaked bread, little bit of olive oil, vinegar. Time to add a little bit of potato. And I always have a little bit of hot fish stock or vegetable stock on hand to help loosen the Skordalia. So this is one of those recipes where you actually do have to be totally present when you're making it because you need to sort of eyeball it. 1 more garlic clove, a little bit more potato, a little more hot broth, a little bit of vinegar. You can also do lemon juice in here. Greeks love Skordalia so much, there's even a song about it, one of the great rembetika songs, sort of like the Greek blues, where the lover is telling his beloved he loves her so much, he's gonna make her fried fish, Skordalia and beets. Θα σου τηγανίσω ψάρια και πατζάρια Skordalia. Now, I don't know how that date ended up. Bacalharo Skordalia.